All right, so we're going to try and get some mains in. Hopefully get the mains in and possibly the crank tonight. And then I can do the short block pistons and rings tomorrow. So let's see what happens. And just as an FYI, a way to check, see that STD? Make sure you're getting the right parts. Standard. Always double check your parts. I've ordered rings, and I ordered the right rings, but they sent me the right ring. They sent me the wrong rings. That went through me for a loop. This isn't to help it turn. It doesn't turn, obviously, but it'll help it tack and kind of suction to it. Like yay. And hold it. Just give a little bit of tension so it'll hold it in place. Gotta eat your Wheaties. There you go. Side note, your top bearings for the actual main don't have a hole in them. Bottoms do. Arrow to the front of the engine. I also mark the back. That little arrow goes to the front.
I'm just a traveling man, you see. Wherever this road goes is where I will be. Now catch me a ride on a boat to Spain. Tell a woman that I love her and then forget her name.
So don't lube the plastic gauge. When you're going to plastic gauge.